Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear friends, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Here, I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. And now I am going to conduct an English first paper class for the students of class 7. And our today's topic is from your EFT book, Unit 5, Lesson 2. And we will discuss exercise C, D and E. So let's try to solve it. Dear students, this lesson is about Begum Rokeya. Okay, so first of all, I will request you to read the text from your textbook, and after reading it in exercise C, you will get tick the correct answer. Begum Rokeya fought for what? Democracy, independence or women's right? The answer is women's right. 2. Rokeya was born in where? Born in a village. Then Rokeya loved English, Bangla or Urdu? Bangla. Shaukat Hossain's working place was where? Was in Bhagalpur. Bhagalpur is a district in Bihar in India. Okay, then this was all about C. And number D, complete the following chart with information from the text. One is done for you. The options are occupation, born in, married, in, family, language. This is all about Begum Rokeya. So occupation, she was actually a writer and a worker. Then born in 1880, married in 1896. Family, her family was a landlord family. Okay, then language, Bangla and English language. Then dear students, now exercise E. Answer these questions. Number 1, what was Begum Rokeya's belief? Okay, Begum Rokeya's belief was that women should have the same right and opportunities as men in the society. Number 2, what did she fight for? That means throughout her life, for what she fought? She fought for women's cause throughout her life. Okay, that means women's empowerment as men. Number 3, what kind of family did she come from? Dear students, in these questions you find did. So if you get any did in any question, you have to form the answer in past indefinite tense. She came from an educated landlord Muslim family. Educated landlord Muslim family. Okay. Number 4, why did many upper class Muslims learn Arabic and Persian at that time? Answer, many upper class Muslims learned Arabic and Persian at that time as medium of education and communication. Number 5, why did Rokeya learn Bangla and English? Answer, Rokeya had a great affection for her mother tongue. So she learned Bangla, and because of literature he learned English. That means she had a great affection on literature. As a result, she learned English. Dear students, you have homework number 11. It's from Unit 5, Lesson 2, exercise number E. That means these question answers are your homework. Dear students, this chapter is very much easy but too much important. Unit 5's every lessons are very much important for you. And I hope after watching it, it would be very much easier for you. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.